Guys, this is Jessica at Casa Magnolia, and tonight I am participating in the Clean Kitchen at Night Challenge. This was hosted by Jen from Cook, Clean, and Repeat, and Mandy from Mandy and the Making, and it was an open collab challenge that they posted for everyone that wants to clean their kitchen at night and get it all nice and clean for the next morning. But I am also going to be doing a couple of the things that I do once a week in my kitchen to keep it, you know, I don't want to say extra clean because let's face it, it's not extra clean, but the things that I do once a week to keep it presentable and looking okay. And I am on the Hot Mess Express today because it's been like rainy and cloudy today, and we've been working on projects around the house, and I just look like so blah. So I'm gonna pour myself a glass of wine and get started on my cleaning and what I do once a week in my kitchen. Let's get started. So here's my kitchen. It doesn't look too bad because I made a roast in the crock pot today for our dinner right over there. So that's all I have to clean up food-wise. This stuff in the corner here is just a bunch of junk that I need to figure out where to put away, and we will get started on that. Okay, first thing I want to do is clean my microwave. I do this by heating up white vinegar and water. I usually do about 1 part vinegar to 3 parts water. Gonna heat it up for 5 minutes. That's gonna get all steamy in the microwave. After it's done, I'll let it sit for another about 1 to 2 minutes, and then everything just wipes off with a paper towel. So aside from the microwave, the second thing I do about once a week is to really wash the stove. Usually I use just that method degreaser, but today I'm going to take a soapy sponge and just really give it a good washing. I don't take the little burner parts off every week because that is so annoying to wash. So I'm going to try and just go around those without getting them wet. After I dry the stove back off, then I'll go back over again with the method degreaser and just wipe it all down with a rag. Okay, so this has been in there about 2 minutes. Everything is all steamy and it should just come right off. If you have any bits that are extra hard to get off, you can just dip your paper towel into that hot vinegar water. Be careful, it is still super hot, and kind of get that off. And then I just flush it down the drain to help, you know, kind of flush any gunk that's built up over the week. The next thing I have to do on the weekly basis is clean my stainless. So on our dishwasher, we have Evelyn's little fingerprints everywhere. So I just use a wet sponge to kind of wash it off first. And then I use the stainless steel cleaner with paper towels. I used to use microfiber cloths, but for some reason, the paper towels work way better. I don't know what is the deal, but we've been loving that. And then I'm also going to clean my sink. On the day-to-day, I just spray that Mrs. Meyer's cleaner in it, let it sit, and then rinse it out. But once a week, I try and give it like a really good scrub. So I'm going to use that scrubbier sponge thing and really give it a good rinse. Thanks for watching, guys. That is what I do to clean up my kitchen, and then a couple things that I do once a week to try and keep it clean on the regular. Thanks so much to Jennifer and Mandy for hosting this challenge. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out everybody else's video in the playlist, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys. Are you helping? Is that helping? Can you close the door? Thank you. Yeah, let's leave it closed.